everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, subscribe. So this video is going to be a makeup tutorial and I am going to do a look which is a little bit inspired by Chloe Grace's Met Gala 2K19 look. I just loved this year's Met Gala. I mean, it is the ultimate fashion destination. I just love each and everything about Met Gala. So this year's theme was camp, and oh my god, my head was just blown, like just literally blown by all the fabulous looks that I saw. I was like, what the hell? Each year I think that, okay, this is it, this is the ultimate fashion thing. But then again, they're like, girl, you've not seen anything till now. I don't even have words to explain, like they were so good. And so I thought, why not do a makeup tutorial, like just a little bit inspired by that. So what I'm going to do today is, for my face, I'm going to go like very glowy and glass skin and all that stuff. I'm not going to do too much to my eyes, but I'm just going to make like a very bold pink lips kind of a look. Like the whole face is going to be silent and glassed out and like very glowing, and then the lips are going to be like very bold, so bold pink. So that's what I have in mind right now, and I'll see where I can go with that. So if you want to see how to get that kind of a look, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, so first I just want all of this hair to go back for a moment. I have like so short hair right now. Whenever I tie it back like this, I mean, from this angle it's not funny, but from the back, if you see, it's like hilarious. So now let's get to it. So first of all, I need something that can moisturize and prime my face, and you know, I want the moisture to be there, like really there, and I want my skin to look very fresh, very juicy. So first of all, I'm just using this Smashbox Photofinish primer water, and I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Alright, so I'll let it sit for a minute or so that it gets absorbed into my skin really nicely. For the next thing, you guys, I have this Smashbox thing, like they give like coin drop of primers. For their 4 type of primers, I got this free with something from Nika, and I've been really trying this out, so I've used this. So I think I am going to try out the Photofinish Radiance primer, the sample that they gave. I am speechless right now, like I really like this. So I'm just going to apply this with my hands almost all over my face. Time for jawline. For the next step, I'm just going to apply very little amount of cream blush, and I'm just taking this PAC cream blusher, and this one is in the shade 05. Working this into my skin. And I'm just taking it a little bit towards my nose too. Now obviously I'm still a little bit excited about this sugar foundation, and I think I really liked it in the last video. I did a review on this foundation, which was my last upload, so it's there in the cards. And I'm just going to blend this out with my sponge now. Alright you guys, so do not forget to mention your favorite looks from the Met Gala 2019. Mine was, I think I really loved, like Lady Gaga is obviously at the top for me every time. Like she kills it. She is the fashion queen, I think. And then I really liked Kendall Jenner this time. I really liked the orange thing, you know. Orange is kind of becoming my like obsession kind of a thing. So I'm really liking orange nowadays, and like she is just a goddess. Like she looks so good in those feathers, like orange feathers. I just loved her. So next I'm going to use a very little amount of concealer, like very little. So I'm just going to mix two concealers. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer, and then this is my Makeup Revolution concealer. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to like 1 and 2 swipe. That's enough, like just under the eye area. You don't have to go like all the way. So, and then on this side too, so that is enough. And now I'm mixing that in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I'm just like a little bit. Alright, just a little bit. For setting this in place, I really want to summon my Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. For my brows, I'm not going to do anything special. You guys know my brow routine. If you don't know, it's there in the cards. You can go and check it out. It's a really good brow routine for fuller brows. Next, I'm going to do my eyes. And for that, I do need a base. So I'm just taking this LA Girl concealer. And I'm just applying a little bit. I'm just packing it into my skin. Like I'm just tapping, like I'm not like rubbing it, so you know. We obviously do need to set that thing over there, and today I'm going to do that with bronzer. I'm just taking that bronzer and just like patting it over there, like just to give my eyes the little bit of color, like just a little bit of color and a little bit of warmth. So doing the same on this side too. This is the least amount of product, you guys, like very less product. Next I'm just taking like a focused kind of a blending brush, and all of them like have a little bit of product. So I generally do not wash my brushes that often. I am a bad girl. So again, I'm just taking the same bronzer, tapping off the excess, and I'm just going to place it over here. Like I'm going like really high, you can see, like that. And then on this side too. Right now, I'm just going to use this palette. This is the Revolution Pro 4K Highlight Palette. I think first of all, I'm just going to try this one. I'm just like placing it on the center of my eyes, as you can see, and then just like blending it. You want it to look super natural, like super duper natural. And next, I think I'm going to use like this shade to just like focus it on the center of the eyelid. Alright, so again, this shade too goes very up to the like brow bone. And then I'm just going to blend it over there. So it's the magic of your fingers. You just have to use your fingers, nothing else. Alright, that looks glowing as hell. So I'm just taking this LA Colors palette, and you can see this black over here. It's not very much pigmented, so I'm just going to use this. A little bit depth. Now I'm just taking the golden shade that we use like for the highlight all over. So I'm just placing it on my inner corner. Come on. Obviously, I don't want it to be like that harsh, so I'm just going to blend it. Now for the falsies, I'm going to use the Kohl lashes, Kingdom of Lashes, in Naturale, I don't know, no, it's not Ale, it's Naturale. I applied a little bit of bronzer on my lower lash line. Now for getting that glow and glass skin thing, I'm just going to take the same primer and I'm just like applying it and just blending it, because I've not used like any powder on my face till now, so I think this should work. So I'm just applying it like on the high points. So it's under the foundation as well as over the foundation. You can see that. Like it instantly gives you the glass skin. Once that is done, I'm just going to contour my face quickly now. So I'm just taking this Nika palette again. Once that is done, contour is done, so I'm just going to highlight my face. I am again going to use this palette and I'm again going to use this shade over here. I'm just very slowly like just placing the highlight. Just taking a little bit on my finger and just putting on my nose. So I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. Now this is a blush, but it has got like a very gold kind of a flex to it. So that's why I like it and I love it. And just first I'm just going on the apples. Very lightly and very gently. I don't want a lot of blush to peek through. And then I'm just like pushing it up. That's it. And now in the end, you just want to take your sponge and you just have to like dab it, because we don't want any extra product over there and we don't want the highlight to look like very chunky. So it's just going to settle the highlight and the blush and everything into your skin, and also it will just pick up the extra things like highlight, blush, whatever you have. So just push it, like maybe slap it. Use a highlight that's not too much gold. Use a highlight that's not too much white, that's not too much like rosy. So you just need a balanced highlighter. So for my lips, as I said, we're going to do like a pink thing. So I'm just taking this Milani Amore Matte lip creme and I'm just applying this. Now this has got like a super pigmented formula, guys, and this shade, I forgot to tell you the shade. So this is the shade number 16, Sweetheart, and this is like very pink. Like you see, that is one swipe pigmentation. Before using this lip color, I actually did moisturize in the very beginning of the video, like the very beginning of the tutorial. I just used a lip balm, and oh shit, that's why you should not speak while applying lipstick. I'm just going to take a little bit of highlighter and I'm just like, give me the glow, give me the glow. So this is the completed look. It's very much vibrant and very much glowing. Like there's some serious glow going on. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because you really want to see more of these kind of looks. If you think the look was really helpful, if you really like this look, then please share this video. Bye!